Artificial intelligence has come a long way. It has more than 100 websites and applications, and its improvement is unbelievable. And in today's video, I introduce you 3 powerful AI tools that is astonishing. By knowing these 3 powerful AI tools, you will put away ChatGPT. Let's see together. Number 1. Mixo. By this website, you will be able to create your own website. Simply, you come to this one, get a start for free, log into this website, and then here type what is your startup idea that you want to start your business with. So I'm trying this one, generate site. So it'll start making my own website. So in this part, you can see this is the name of my website, Teach Me ESL, and also Teach English. You can save this, customize, simply easy. There is many information that you can read about this website, that how to use it, or maybe how you can just use this data in your own website or business. And now you should log into this website. I'll log into this website by my own account here. You can create your own account, and also you can sign in with your Google account. So I sign in with my Google account there. And this is it. It is my website. Number 2, Deep Nostalgia. Deep Nostalgia is another powerful AI tool that will let you to change your old photo to animation. Simply click on upload photo and now choose your photo. There, after some minutes, it'll be prepared for you. This is it. This one is my photo and this is the animation. And now you can download this one easily. Number 3, On-Screen. On-Screen is a powerful AI tool that will let you to remove the background of your videos easily, just with some clicks. Now upload your clip, whatever you have. It is preparing upload. This was my clip that I just uploaded in this website. And after that, you can change the background. You can change the background of your video like this, or maybe you can take yourself to this part, you can take yourself to the street, and also you can put your own photo, whatever you have in your computer, and simply click on download. It will be downloaded in your computer. Thank you guys. Please subscribe for the next powerful AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.